crowds at Shibuya, lantern-lit streets, then quiet gardens. Tokyo is known for its energy, neon lights, endless crowds, constant motion. But beyond the noise, there's another side of the city few people ever see. Temples, calm alleys, reflections in puddles. Hi, I'm Beatris, and welcome to Traveling with Beatris. This series is about uncovering the quiet corners of Tokyo, the peaceful alleys, secret rooftops, and moments of stillness that most travelers walk right past. Real Tokyo, unfiltered and true locals at small shrines, sunlight through trees, coffee steaming in a tiny cafe. Each short video will take you to a hidden experience. Not luxury, not hype, just truth. The places where locals slow down, where beauty hides in everyday life, and where you can still feel the soul of this incredible city. Factual stories and peaceful discovery. You walking slowly through a torii gate or sitting by a quiet street cafe. If you love travel that feels real, that teaches, inspires, and restores your sense of wonder, you're in the right place. Subscribe, explore with me, and let's discover the side of Tokyo that most people never notice. Join the journey. Experience the best of rooftops, lanterns, soft city sounds at night. This is Traveling with Beatris, where we find peace, truth, and hidden beauty in every corner of the world.